Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back. This is your boy Utech, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the Xh-M125 mini amplifier board. Now some of you will be asking, what can I do with this tiny little chip? Actually, you can use this stuff to build a simple headphone amplifier. For example, let's say you need something in your band, maybe that can serve like 3-4 people. You don't want to connect it to your amplifier, it will be too much, so you need something very small like this. Mind you, it will carry it. So today, ordinarily I say this thing is meant for headphones or earpiece, okay, but we'll use it to carry this. So if it can carry this thing very well, that means it will serve you better, okay. So let's just give it a try today and let's see maybe it's worth it or not. Okay, so if you look at this place, actually because of time, that is why I have to just sew it up on time. Ordinarily I would have liked to do it here, but just because of time. Okay, so if you look at this place, you see 5 volt 5V. okay, you can see the positive polarity here, the negative, and if you look at this place, you see the in. So we have the two side here, then the out, that is the one that will go to your speaker or that will be going to your headphone, okay, based on the way you want to connect it. So this output, for example, you may decide to split it to 3-4 places. So if you connect your headphone to those ports, it will definitely power each one of them conveniently, and you may decide to attach your volume and every other thing. In one of my videos, I will try to do that, where I will connect my headphones and will try to build volume and every other thing, but today we just want to do a quick review about it. Okay, so let's see maybe it's worth it or not. So the polarity, the battery, the right and left, the positive and the negative, then the in, the polarity, then the output. Okay, so to save time, the output I've connected to the speaker. Okay, because if I say I want to use my headphone to test it, you guys will not hear what I'm doing. Okay, so let's just use the speaker for now. So this output, the output is connected already, so this in will connect it to one of our plug. Okay, so this to the battery. So let me bring one of my cell that we can use to test it. Okay, so I have one of my power source here. Okay, very small one. Okay, so this is my positive pole and this is my negative pole. So now actually we'll do it rough for, because I want it to be very clear. I don't want to sew it on time. Okay, so this is our negative pole now. This is our negative from the battery, so we'll connect these two together. Okay, so follow me please. Then this is the positive pole, then you connect this together with the positive pole of my battery. Mind you, this stuff is just 5 volts, so don't go and use 12 volt or 24 volt on it. It's just 5 volts. So that means your power bank, your laptop, or any other thing that is between 5 volts, it will definitely power it. And mind you, all this cell battery, all this 5 volt bound 3.7 volt, it will still carry it also. Okay, so my positive pole is connected and my negative pole. So now let's move to the next thing, which is our input. As you can see, we have the input there. So I don't know if you guys can hear that sound. Since the battery is connected, no switch yet. In one of my videos, I will try to include switch. We will include some socket for output and input socket to make it more look professional. I have something like that here. Let me just show you guys in a minute. In this place, as you can see, I have something like that here. Okay, but that's not for today. That one is a board like this, but a bit advanced anyway. Okay, so back to what we are doing. So we've connected our positive pole and the negative pole. So since we are done with that, now let's move to the input. Now if I touch this side, you can you hear that sound? That is to tell you that that side I'm touching is the main signal and this is the ground. No sound. Let me raise it so that you can hear it again. I believe you can hear it. Okay, that was very clear. Okay, so now I have my plug here. I also have the end of my plug here. Okay, so let's just connect this here now. So this is the ground of my input and this is the positive side. Okay, so now, so this is the one giving the signal, so we'll connect it here. So let's just connect it. Okay, connected. Now this is the ground. So connect to ground here. Okay. Okay, the two are connected now. So now, if I pick the end of this stuff now, of this my plug, mind you, don't let any of your wire breach. Please be mindful of that, okay? Don't let the wire breach, okay? So if I touch it now, you can hear that sound, okay? So let me play it through my smartphone. I have a smartphone here. Okay, it's in already, okay? So let's find one of our hot. I'm playing my radio, as you can hear. You can see it's working perfectly. Okay, let me use my, actually I have, let me use this, my high rig, the output coming out from my high rig. Actually, this may be a bit loud, please just bear. And also, it may be noisy a bit because the voltage coming from this place is high, you understand? So, it's just, I don't want to just use just ordinary the radio alone so that you guys can hear it better. Okay. You can hear that now. Okay, let me repeat it. Let me show it clearly so you understand me. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm doing. My high rig is coming from my laptop. You understand? So I'm just connecting this, my input, to the output of my high rig, since it's music that is flowing through. Okay, so let me plug it now. Okay, let me repeat that song. The noise you are hearing there is because this thing is powered with 5 volt, and this one also is powered from USB. You understand? So the voltage is a bit high than what it can handle. You understand? Ordinarily, we ought not to use something like that, but because that is the audio source that I have, that's why I'm using it right now. Okay. So let me raise the speaker up so you see it clearly. Look at the match, the face. Okay. So. So guys, this stuff is really working. It can be very useful for you. So in case you need it, you can just go to AliExpress and just order it and use it for that project you've been thinking about. What can you use for it? Okay, it's just like 0.7, let's just say approximately $1. Very cheap. So do it to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.